If you're wondering how to use Vimeo with EverWebinar, you're in the right place. Stick around, and I'll show you the exact steps you need to follow to integrate these tools smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to set up your Vimeo videos for webinars in EverWebinar seamlessly. To start, it's important to understand that Vimeo and EverWebinar are both powerful platforms, but combining them can supercharge your automated webinar experience. EverWebinar allows you to host automated webinars, and Vimeo provides a secure, high quality video hosting solution. When used together, they give you the ability to host professional, evergreen webinars with top tier video quality. Next thing, getting started with the integration is simple. First, make sure you have accounts set up on both Vimeo and EverWebinar. If you haven't signed up for EverWebinar yet, you can use the first link in the description below to get started for free with exclusive bonuses. Once you're all set up, the next step is to upload your webinar video to Vimeo. You'll want to upload your video in the highest quality possible. Vimeo allows you to choose the resolution, and it supports HD video, which is important for a professional webinar experience. When uploading, make sure to set your privacy settings according to your needs, whether you want the video to be private or viewable by anyone. After that, you'll head over to EverWebinar and start creating your automated webinar. In the video setup section, you'll be prompted to choose your video source. Select Vimeo from the options. This is where the magic happens. EverWebinar will sync with your Vimeo account to display your video during your scheduled webinar. Now, here's a trick to make sure everything runs smoothly. When you set up your Vimeo link in EverWebinar, you'll want to adjust the video settings to allow autoplay. This ensures that as soon as your webinar starts, the video will play automatically for your attendees. You don't want any awkward delays when people are tuning in. The fourth thing to know is about customization. With Vimeo integrated, you can customize your webinar playback options. For example, you can turn off controls so attendees can't pause or skip ahead. This makes sure they stay engaged with your content from start to finish. Next up, what about protecting your video content? Vimeo allows you to set privacy settings like password protection, and you can use this to keep your webinar content restricted to your attendees. EverWebinar also gives you an option to secure the link, ensuring only those with the invite can access your live or automated webinar. Finally, let's talk about monitoring your performance. EverWebinar provides detailed analytics, so you can track engagement, sales, and even viewer behavior. You can use this data to optimize future webinars, ensuring better results each time. That's all you need to know about how to use Vimeo with EverWebinar for a seamless, high-quality experience. As a quick recap, first, set up both accounts, upload your Vimeo video, sync it with EverWebinar, adjust autoplay and privacy settings, and then use the analytics for better results. By the way, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. With that, you'll be able to try both platforms with no risk and all the tools you need to succeed. If you have any questions about how to use Vimeo with EverWebinar, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to check out the first link below for that extended trial and exclusive bonuses.